How to transfer Roblox account to new phone. To transfer your Roblox account to a new phone, you can use the quick sign-in option or manual sign-in or even a passkey. So first of all, make sure to download the Roblox application onto your new device. Then tap on this play icon. Once you launch the application and once you're in the login page, you can simply type in your Roblox login credentials and you should be able to log right in. Or what you can also do is if you take your primary phone, then tap on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen, scroll downwards and you will find this quick sign in option. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you simply have to type in the code of another device and tap continue. You will be logged easily. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.